How do you see the timing of this for the summons that you have been asked to appear? Just like last time, are you going to be requesting that they come and give residence and interrogate you? How is it going to be?
I truly have no idea. You've seen my schedule in the last 5 days. The moment we received it, we gave it to the legal team. So whatever they advise, we will follow through that.
आप इस तरह से कह रही है कि मोदी जी नोटिस आ गए, लेकिन अगर हम बात करें राजनीति की तो कांग्रेस तो ये कह रही है कि धोनी की मिली भगत है, इसीलिए मोदी जी नोटिस नहीं भेज रहे या फिर ईडी का नोटिस नहीं आ रहा है।
देखिए, हम सिंपल सी बात बोलते हैं, हम किसी से भी मिले नहीं है। हम मिले हैं तो तेलंगाना की जनता से और भारत की जनता से। अब दोनों नेशनल पार्टी जो कहलाती थी, उन दोनों का यही डर है कि केसीआर साहब को देश की जनता ज़्यादा चाहने लगी है, तेलंगाना की जनता तो कैसे भी चाहती है, वापस सरकार में ला रही है, तो अलग अलग एलिगेशंस वो लगाएंगे। लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर नॉट एनीबडीज बी टीम, वी आर तेलंगाना पीपल्स एंड इंडियन पीपल्स ए टीम।
आपको समन आया है तो इस पूरे प्रकरण को जब 3 लोग अप्रूवल टर्न हुए हैं तो कितनी मुश्किलें बढ़ सकती है आपके?
Brother, as I said, it looks like a TV serial, never-ending TV serial. So I have no idea what is happening with that. But end of the day, party legal team will advise us, and we will go through their advice. So it is not a big issue or a serious issue to be discussed. It is a politically motivated summon. We will take a legal recourse on that.
But ma'am, how do you see this? Because recently when recent summons were issued, you went to the Delhi, you appeared for the questioning, and even after coming out, you stated that they made to sit be there, and you have made several comments attacking the BJP. And now again, it's a poll-bound state. You said polls are nearer. So how do you see this? Basically, will you be attending it? And one side BJP is attacking, one side Congress is attacking. They are claiming that you're victim of Congress. Congress saying that you're victim of BJP. So how do you see this? And why are you claiming that it's politically motivated?
Okay.
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this summons? It's just coming at a time when the election campaign is at a crucial stage. Do you think this will affect TRS party if there is further development from the notice?
Well, as I said, it is clearly politically motivated. From the beginning, I have been saying the same thing, and it has been the modus operandi of Bharatiya Janata Party in any poll-bound state. So now Telangana is going to polls. The modus operandi has taken, again kicked back in. So that is what we believe in, and we will certainly seek a legal recourse. We are a political party. We have a legal team, so we don't have to worry about it. But people will see through this kind of operation by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and people will certainly teach them a lesson. That is what I believe. Thank you so much. Jai Telangana. చెప్తే కదా ఇప్పటిదాకా ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుగులో లాయర్లు ఎట్లా చెప్తే అట్లా చేస్తా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.